This is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. I've got to take the time to show you this beautiful FJ62 we just finished. It's got all the bells and whistles. Got an LS3 engine, Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, all new sound deadening. Let me walk around and show you this beautiful color. It's a desert tan color, but it's a little bit darker than what we normally shoot them in. And this is because Tony out of Houston was very specific in the color, the hue. We sent him a couple of samples. He rejected those, sent us his own color and said, "This is what I want." And we said, "Tony, you're the man. We'll do it in your color." It's beautiful. And Icon rims, 16-inch, nice touch. It's got this brand new stock bumper, a new grille, Grote LED headlights. One thing that we did eliminate on our recommendation, that is the radio antenna, because they have a tendency to go out, the automatic antennas, and they're a real pickle to find. So we talked him into, let's just go with a rubber mast. These running boards are ones that we make in-house. They are running boards in the sense that also they dub as rock sliders. So if you ever high center, that'll protect your undercarriage. Hit the like button, the share button, that'd be appreciated. We take all of our restorations very personal. We pay very close attention to the detail on all of these cruisers that go out. Everyone signs their name. They take part ownership in their product. That's everybody that had a hand in making this cruiser happen. It's not just me. I couldn't make it happen by myself. But we have really good, dedicated employees. A few subcontractors. The interior we subcontract out. Super group out of Wichita. D1 upholstery. Let me step back and show you just how gorgeous this cruiser is. That's beautiful. Now we're going to take a look at the engine. What powers this big baby going down the highway? How about an LS3? Custom built. New aluminum radiator. He wanted an onboard compressor. Just in case he was out in the middle of nowhere, he had to put some air in the tires or whatever. New hood blanket. I could go on and on about the amenities to this cruiser. Let's take a look at the interior. Those are heated seats. Shellman seats, made in Germany. 7 different way adjustments, I believe, if not more. So we custom made the door panels to match, because Shellman does not sell anything other than the seats. Center console cushion matches the seats. Aftermarket instrument cluster. Stereo system, full screen. New headliner. New sun visors. Tony got the works. Everything but the kitchen sink. We really pay attention to detail. You know, if you like our videos, you like what we're doing, please hit the like and the share button. Our center console also has a hidden compartment. That slides out whenever the lid's open. That's the only time you can slide it out. You can hide your watches, your jewelry, small gun, whatever. Here's the rear cargo area. Those are some accessories for Tony. This stereo system, we didn't cut any corners on the stereo system. Those are top of the line speakers, both sides, front door panel as well. Like I said, I didn't want this one to get away without a video. It's really something to brag about. I think it's going to meet Tony's expectations. My number is 316-992-5986. If you're unsure of exactly what you want to do with your cruiser, give me a call. I've been doing this for 25 years. I can give you some really good advice, send you in directions, find out your budget, be able to tell you what you can afford and what you should afford, depending on what your intended use is. If it's a guy that's never going to go down the highway, all he's going to do is ride trails, he may not want a V8 Vortec or a LS3. He may just need the stock engine and some upgrades. Maybe some lockers front and back. Some different tires or wheels. So, like I said, I'll give you plenty of advice. Just give me a shout. 316-992-5986. Tony, I hope we exceed your expectations. Thank you.